India's rich military history has long inspired filmmakers, giving us stories of valor, sacrifice, and unwavering patriotism. Over the years, war movies have moved from grand patriotic epics to more realistic, emotionally nuanced, and technically sharp storytelling. And now, with 120 Bahadur hitting the big screen, let's trace the evolution of on-screen war stories. We begin with the latest Bollywood release, 120 Bahadur, starring Farhan Akhtar, Rashi Khanna and Vivan Bhatena. This film marks a historic milestone, the first Indian movie to release across defense theatres nationwide, reaching more than 800 military cinema halls. Based on the heroic Battle of Rezangla, 120 Bahadur reflects on today's filmmaking, which is deeply researched, emotionally grounded and focused on honouring real soldiers. We now go back in time with Border, starring Sunny Deol, Sunil Shetty, Jackie Shroff, Tabu and Akshay Khanna. This 90s classic defined the grand, emotionally charged war epic at a time when audiences wanted big patriotic spectacles. Its music, drama and scale celebrated camaraderie, courage and sacrifice laid the cinematic groundwork for everything that came after. Then came the 2004 blockbuster Lakshya, starring Hrithik Roshan and Preeti Zinta. It marked a turning point, shifting the genre from large-scale patriotism to stories of personal transformation. Instead of focusing solely on war, the film explored the making of a soldier, capturing identity, purpose and emotional growth. This era signaled the moment when war stories became character-driven journeys. The Ghazi attack in 2017 brought a fresh perspective, led by Rana Daggubati, K.K. Menon and Taapsee Pannu. The film explored lesser-known military operations, diving quite literally into submarine warfare. Set in 1971, it showed that Indian war cinema was ready to move beyond the conventional battlefield and expand to covert tactical missions. Next came Uri, the Surgical Strike, starring Vicky Kaushal. The film represented a new phase of the genre, one built on strategic realism and military precision. Based on the 2016 surgical strikes, it blended emotion with cutting-edge tactical detail. The iconic How's the Josh moment captured the nation's pride as audiences embraced grittier, fact-based storytelling. We end the list with Sher Shah, starring Siddharth Malhotra as Captain Vikram Batra. This era of war cinema embraced authentic biographical narratives, showcasing not just the battlefield but the life, personality and courage of the soldier. The iconic dialogue, Ye Dil Mange More, became a symbol of bravery once again as the film portrayed the human, emotional side of the Kargil War, a major leap from earlier patriotic dramatizations. From the emotional grandeur of Border and now the historic release of 120 Bahadur, Indian war cinema continues to evolve with time. These films remind us that behind every uniform is a story, and behind every story, a hero.